Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable OneDrive syncing prompts for project files. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Windows settings. Click on the Accounts section. Select Access Work or School from the left panel. Find your Microsoft account linked to OneDrive. Click on the account and choose Disconnect. Confirm the action and follow any prompts to remove the account. Now, open the OneDrive application on your computer. Right-click on the OneDrive Cloud icon in the System tray. Select Settings from the context menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the Account tab. Click on Choose Folders. Uncheck the folders that you do not want to sync. Click OK to apply your changes. Next, go to the Settings tab in the OneDrive window. Uncheck the option for Start OneDrive automatically when I sign into Windows. Click OK to confirm. Now, close the OneDrive settings window. Open the Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Find the OneDrive process in the list under the Processes tab. Right-click on it and select End Task. OneDrive will no longer prompt you to sync your project files. You have successfully disabled OneDrive syncing prompts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.